Welcome to our review of the Vaonis Stellina Smart Telescope, a groundbreaking innovation in astronomy that's designed to make stargazing easier, more accessible, and more enjoyable. If you're passionate about astronomy, or just looking for a way to explore the night sky in a whole new way, then the Stellina might just be the perfect telescope for you. In this review, we'll take an in-depth look at the features, performance, and user experience of the Stellina Smart Telescope, which is making waves in the world of stargazing. Let's start with the basics. The Vaonis Stellina is a fully integrated, smart telescope that combines high-performance optics with cutting-edge technology. Unlike traditional telescopes, which often require complex setups and manual adjustments, the Stellina takes a completely different approach. With its intuitive app, users can control the telescope from their smartphone or tablet, allowing you to point, focus, and capture stunning images of celestial objects with just a few taps. One of the standout features of the Stellina is its ease of use. Whether you're an experienced astronomer or a complete beginner, the Stellina makes it simple to locate and observe the stars, planets, and deep space objects. The app works as a smart guide, showing you where to point the telescope for optimal viewing, and it even has a feature that automatically adjusts the telescope's alignment for precise observations. This means you don't have to worry about manually centering objects or dealing with the frustration of poor alignment. The Stellina does all of that for you. The Stellina's design is sleek and modern, with a compact and portable build that makes it easy to transport. Weighing just 5 kilograms 11 pounds, it's lighter and more portable than many traditional telescopes, which are often bulky and cumbersome. Whether you're traveling to a remote location for better sky conditions or just setting it up in your backyard, the Stellina is easy to carry and set up, making it an ideal choice for both novice and experienced astronomers on the go. But don't let its compact size fool you, the Stellina packs some serious optical power. It features a 80mm apochromatic refractor, a high-quality optical design that allows for clear, sharp images even of distant deep space objects. With its f/5.5 focal ratio, the Stellina captures a wide field of view, perfect for observing both large nebulae and distant galaxies. Its integrated camera can take high-resolution astrophotography images, giving you the ability to capture stunning photos of the moon, planets, and deep sky objects in real time. You can even share these images directly from the app, making it easy to showcase your celestial discoveries with friends and family. One of the things that makes the Stellina stand out is its automatic image stacking feature. When you view an object through the Stellina, it takes multiple images and combines them into a single, high-quality photo. This technique, known as image stacking, reduces noise and enhances the clarity of your images, providing you with stunning visuals of the night sky without needing any additional editing software. Battery life is another impressive aspect of the Stellina. The telescope is powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, which offers up to 10 hours of operation on a single charge. Whether you're out for a few hours or planning an extended stargazing session, the Stellina provides ample power to keep you observing without worrying about running out of battery. One potential downside of the Stellina is its price. As a smart, automated telescope with advanced features, it comes with a premium price tag. However, for serious astronomy enthusiasts or those who want to take their stargazing to the next level, the Stellina offers a highly convenient and sophisticated option that's well worth the investment. In conclusion, the Vaonis Stellina Smart Telescope is a revolutionary product that brings modern technology to the world of astronomy. With its ease of use, portability, impressive optics, and innovative features, it's perfect for anyone who wants to explore the night sky without the hassle of traditional telescopes. Whether you're a casual observer or an aspiring astrophotographer, the Stellina is designed to make your stargazing experience more enjoyable, convenient, and visually spectacular.